If you are trying to delete your Proton Mail account, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you'll need to follow. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how Genic. In order to delete your account, you just need to head over to settings on the top right. Head over to all settings. Once you're inside the settings of Proton Mail, you'll need to head over to account and password. Inside of the account and password settings, if you scroll down, you'll see a section called delete account. It says right here, this will permanently delete your account and all of its data. You will not be able to reactivate this account. So if you agree to this, you can just click on delete your account. You need to select a reason before you do it and then add in a feedback as well. Once you add in your feedback and your reason, you can click on continue. And then lastly, you just need to check this box and then click on delete account. Once you do that, all of your data along with your account will be permanently deleted. The data includes the contacts, the attachments, the events, passwords, and files that you have created or have added it inside of your Proton Mail. So just click on delete account and all of your data will be deleted. That's all there is in deleting your account of Proton Mail. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this, and also make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.